Most website rebuilds fail in the same three ways. They run late, they cost more than estimated, and the new CMS is too confusing to use. This is an example where the rebuild went smoothly. A huge B2B product catalog for a lighting brand. We rebuilt that on Next.js and Sanity in 4 weeks. Let me show you how. Darktours sells specialist lighting to architects and designers. These buyers don't shop for fun, they shop for work. They need the exact specs to be sure the light fits the project, and then they ask for a quote. Darktours' old WordPress website made everything harder. It was slow to load, the specs were misleading, and for this type of audience, wrong specs cost trust and the sale. The website looked broken on mobile, and asking for a quote process was painful. We've done this more than 20 times on our framework, Nexity. So we don't start from scratch, we start with a battle-tested system. In the first 48 hours, we rebuilt part of their real website with their real content and real products on Next.js and Sanity. So they saw their new website looking better and loading faster. They knew what exactly they're going to get before we signed the contract. Week 1. In this week we were focusing on the demo. So we took their real data with their brand, original design, but we adjusted it a bit and normalized. Week 2. In this week we made everything editable in Sanity. So they could use page builder, see changes live, they could edit everything by themselves without developers' help. Week 3. We connected the website to Nexity, a PIM system that holds their product data. Thanks to that, products have one source of truth, and what visitors see on the website is always correct. Week 4. This week was about quote request process and final testing. We were ahead of the plan, so we had some time for final adjustments and client feedback. Okay, now the results. As you can see, mobile performance increased from 45 to 92 and desktop performance increased from 83 to 99. All of the metrics are green, so all of the metrics are passing, including new agentic browsing metrics. The website is working super fast. The website uses correct product information fetched from Nexity, and website is using Sanity, so they can edit everything on the website without developer support, and they're ready for AI content operations. If you're thinking about rebuilding your own site, consider Nexity. It's built from more than 20 real projects. That's why our timelines hold and our quality stays the same every time. And across all of those projects, we had 0 drops in Google rankings. If you are on WordPress or legacy CMS or any setup that is slowing your team down, I can show you how it can work after the migration to Next.js and Sanity. I will rebuild part of your website with your real content in 48 hours. No cost, no commitment, links below.